How to add transition between two pages in Canva. Once on Canva, we can go over to the left hand menu option and we can choose the picture or the video that we'd like to add to our page. So let's say for example this pic, and I'm going to tap on the three dots and set it as the background image. Now we're going to be creating page 2. So from the bottom of the timeline, I'm just going to tap on add page and I'm going to be using this image as the picture for page 2. Now to add a transition, you're going to go right between both pages and you're going to see the option add transition. You're going to tap on that. Then you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you can see the different transition options that you can choose from. So you can select whichever one of these options you would like to use. Once you have found an option that you like, let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this one, I can tap on it. Then you can select the duration. You can also change the direction and you can also change the color. So you can see it right there. You could change the color if you want. Once you're finished doing that, all you need to do now, let's say for instance we were to play it. So if I were to select play, you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.